Azure Data Factory versus DataBricks. Which one should you choose? So when it comes down to data in the cloud, two names you'll hear a lot is Azure Data Factory and DataBricks. Both are powerful, but they serve different roles. In this video, I'll break down what each tool does, their main differences, and how to choose the right one for your projects. Alright, so in terms of the overview, Azure Data Factory, often called ADF, is Microsoft's data integration service. Think of it as a ETL tool: extract, transform, and load. Its job is to move and prepare data. So it's great when you need to ingest data from multiple sources like databases, APIs, or files, automate pipelines to transfer and transform data, orchestrate workflows without writing too much code. In short, ADF is focused on data movement, scheduling, and automation. And on the other hand, DataBricks is data analytics and machine learning platform built on Apache Spark. It's designed for big data processing and advanced analytics. So this tool is best for handling large-scale data processing with high performance, data science tasks like training machine learning models, running advanced analytics on a massive data sets. So while ADF moves and organizes data, DataBricks is where you analyze, process, and extract insights from it. And here's the simplest way to compare them: ADF, data movement and orchestration; DataBricks, data processing and analytics. So ADF is low-code, drag and drop, while DataBricks often requires coding in Python, Scala, or SQL. ADF pipelines are usually lighter and focused on workflows, while DataBricks clusters are designed for heavy compute tasks. So think of it this way: ADF gets the data to the right place, DataBricks makes sense of all that data. Okay, and this takes us to the conclusion about which one to choose. So if your goal is to connect different data sources, automate data flows, or schedule ATL jobs, then Azure Data Factory is the right choice. But if you're working with big data, need advanced analytics, or want to build machine or learning models, then DataBricks is the better tool. So in many cases, companies actually use both together, which is a great alternative. And that's pretty much concludes our tutorial and comparison. So basically, Azure Data Factory moves your data and DataBricks transforms it into insights. They are not really competitors, they just complement each other. So thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.